Hello and welcome to part 5, where we'll be making the horizontal and vertical stabilizers. Enjoy! Okay, so I'm gonna hit Shift A, and I'm gonna add in a cube, and I'm gonna name this horizontal stabilizer. Yeah, that's the one. Haha. What if we make this a lowercase? What color will that be? Okay, so I'm gonna hit S and scale this down to right here. And I'm gonna hit G. Oh, whoopsie. Okay. I'm gonna hit G and move this right here. You know, scale it down a little bit. I'm gonna get this little thing right here. Kind of get this thing right here. Yeah, and it's right here now. So I'm gonna hit G. G. Y and move it along right here. And yeah, we're going to go ahead and get this all fixed up like this. Okay, then we're going to tab on edit mode, select this face, and we're going to hit G and X. Swoop. And then right here, I'm going to hit E. Just right here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to hit A, and then we're going to hit S and Y, and we're going to scale this up to right here. Then we're going to hit G, Y, move it back, S, Y, scale it up. Then we're going to hit this face right here, and G, X, and kind of move it in. Okay, perfect. And now, we're going to select these two right here. We're going to hit S and Z and scale them down. Then we're going to hit, We're going to hit Control R, put this right here. Select these. S, Z, scale them down. S, Z, scale them down. Got a little excited there. S, Z, scale them down a little bit. And then for these, oops. I'm gonna hit E to extrude all the way up to right here. Then I'm gonna hit S, X, and scale them like this. Oh. And then at side view, I'm gonna hit S, Y, and scale them in. Oh my gosh, that's off. I'm gonna move these down to like right here. And then for this right here, and I'm gonna hit E, and then R, and then S, and I'm gonna move this like right here, and then I'm gonna select all these bottom ones, and I'm gonna hit E, R, G, S, and kind of get this all aligned right here. I'll just select this one and kind of get it all swooped up like this. And there we go. We have this nice thing. It looks awesome. Absolutely awesome. However, this does not look awesome. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to hit S, X, and scale this down. Now it looks awesome. Absolutely awesome. And we're going to add a modifier, mirror, and the object is going to be the mirror object. However, Oh, that's kind of weird. Hang on. Where is this thing now? That's weird. That's all the way over there. Control A, all transforms. Okay, that's weird. Oh, that explains it. Okay, yeah. Mirror object. Okay, now we have a beautiful A-10, and it looks like an A-10, and it is an A-10. Absolutely beautiful. Although I'm gonna name this to horizontal/vertical, and that is a color we have not yet seen. We're gonna add a subdivision surface modifier to this. Okay, please excuse me. I had to completely redo all of that because my Blender crashed. So, yeah. Anyway, yeah, we are going along fine. Just gotta, do all this again. Hit the little, the Control S thing, and then I'm the one who forgets to hit Control S. Very embarrassing. But anyway, just gotta get this back to the way it's supposed to be, which is really quite annoying, I must say. Oh no, is it gonna freeze on me again? No, it's not. Good. That would be very unfortunate if it froze on me again. Okay. This is very... Oh, I really, really scale that. Gotta get everything good. And that looks good. Okay, so we're back, and I will shade smooth this, which makes it look very A10-y. And don't forget to save your blend file, as I forgot to. And that is the end of part 5. Stick around for part 6, where we'll be modeling all the control surfaces and doing some final touches. So I'll see you then. Bye.